Hello viewers, you're welcome. Let's see how we're going to solve this problem here. 8 to the power of x minus 1 equals 18. So we want to know the value of x. Now what we're going to do here I have 8 to the power of x minus 1 then equals this 18 here. I can write it as 9 multiplied by 2. So now from there, I can rewrite this 8 to be 2 to the power of 3, then to the power of x minus 1, then equals 9 multiplied by 2. So now I'm going to be having 2. We know that this 2, we have to multiply each other from the law of indices. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 3x minus what? Minus 3, then equals 9 multiplied by 2. Now from here, we are going to have, let me divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, these 2 will cancel these 2 here. Then from the law of indices, this 2 is having power 1 here. So now having the power 1 here, we can have 2 to the power of 3x minus 3. Taking that minus up, we have minus 1 equals, we have what? 3 to the power of 2, because 9 is same thing as 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so now we move on. So from there, we're going to have 2 to the power of 3x minus 4, then equals 3 to the power of 2. Now from here, the next thing we're going to do is to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. So I'm going to introduce logarithm with respect to base 2, 3x minus 4, then equals log with respect to base 2, 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so now from there, the next thing we're going to have is that we are going to multiply this by the entire, and this also by the entire logarithm. So we're going to have 3x minus 4, then multiplying log base 2 equals 2 log base 3. Now from here, the next thing we're going to do, we see that when you have log base a argument a, this will give us 1. So the same thing will happen to this. We're going to have 3x minus 4, and everything here will turn to 1, then equals 2 log base 3. Are you following? So now we move on. We're going to have 3x minus 4, then equals 2 log base 3. Then we are going to transpose this 4 to the other side of the equation. We're going to have 3x equals 4, because it will change to positive, plus 2 log base 3. We're going to have, dividing both sides by 3, we're going to be having 3x, because this will cancel this, equals, we're going to have 4 divided by 3 plus 2 over 3, then log base 2 argument 3. Now from here, so we have this to be our solution. That is the value of x. Now, so let's see how we can check whether we are right or not. So we're going to have, by checking, we are given 8 to the power of x minus 1 equals 18. So then we have 8 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of minus 1. We can split it like that from the law of indices. So we're going to have 8. The x is same thing as 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3, then log base 2, 3 equals 18. So now we move on. We're going to have 8 to the power of 4 over 3 multiplied by, I've forgotten this one. This one is 8 to the power of this one. 8 to the power of minus 1 we turn to 1 over 8. So we're going to have 1 over 8 here. Okay? We have 1 over 8 here. So we're going to have this 8 to the power of 2 over 3 log 2 augment 3 multiplied by 1 over 8 equals 18. Are you following? So we move on. We're going to have 8 to the power of 1 over 3, then to the power of 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 over 3, then multiplied by 2 log base 2, 3 multiplied by 1 over 8. This is going to give us 18. So now from here, 8 to the power of 1 over 3, this is going to give us 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by, this will give us 2 to the power of 2 log base 2, 3 multiplied by 1 over 8 equals what? 8. Now we move on. So we're going to have 2 raised to power 4, we're going to give us 16 multiplied by, now we're going to have 2 to the power of log base 2. This power 2 here will become the power of 3, so that we're going to have 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 8 equals what? Equals 18. I'm going to have 16 multiplied by, from here, whenever you have something like this, 2 raised to the power log base 2, this base and this are the same thing, so it's going to be cancelled out. So we're going to have what? We're going to have 3 to the power of 2 down, then multiplied by 1 over 8 equals 18. Now we have 16, then multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 is 9, then divide by what? Divide by 8 that we have here. Is this going to give us 18? So we are going to have what? 8 here, 1, 8 here, we have it to be what? 2. So we can see that we are left with 2 multiplied by 9, which is same thing as 18. So we have 18 equals what? 18. And that's the solution. If you enjoyed this class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're enjoying this. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye.